So I was sent this vanity desk with mirror and lights by Garvey, and I actually got it for my wife. She's been using it every day for her makeup and hair routine, and it's quickly become one of her favorite pieces in the room. From the moment we unboxed it, I could tell that it was well made. The packaging was secure, and all of the parts were clearly labeled. And it took me just a short period of time to assemble it. Once it was set up, it completely transformed the look of our bedroom. The mirror features 12 adjustable LED lights with 3 color settings: warm, white, and cool. My wife uses the cool light during the day to get a more natural reflection of her makeup, and she switches to warm lighting at night for a softer, more relaxed look. It really helps her see how her makeup will appear in different environments. It also has a built-in power outlet and USB ports, which makes getting ready even easier. As you can see here, I'm charging my AirPods, but she also plugs in her curling iron, her hair dryer right into the vanity, which keeps everything organized without the need for extra cords or adapters. The storage is impressive too. It has 4 drawers and 2 open shelves that hold all of her makeup, skincare, and accessories perfectly. Now everything has its own place and the surface stays neat and clean. If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and well-built vanity that offers great lighting, storage, and built-in charging, this Garvee Vanity Desk is an excellent choice for any room.